sounded real good coming into the big horn.
See Jesse, and more Jesse. Jesse James, 854. Dallas, Texas, getting up.
Good morning, Jesse James, Radio Man, Central Coast of Cal, standing by.
Hello, Radio Man, Alabama. Still weaving at that Radio Man, bro. Out there, slam dunk. Hey, morning time out there.
Well, good morning, there's Alabama scoop shooter. Didn't even know you were out there until you just keyed up. Yeah, that Jesse James has my ears down there in Texas, man. But it sounded good out there in Alabama skip shooter, Radio Man, Central Coast of Cal. And I'm standing by.
I heard that. We've been hiding in the bush. I did Alabama skip shooter back quiet.
You say you've been hiding out there in the bush. Well, shame on the mess. Don't get any ticks out there in that bush. Hey, Alabama skip shooter. Better watch out for those ticks. I'm back out.
Dallas, Texas, Rose is gone. Happy New Year. Down Alabama, skip shooter, hiding in the bush. Jump out, bushwhack somebody.
Gotta bushwhack someone. Hey, Alabama skip shooter, you said you're just out there hiding in the bush. You're about to bushwhack someone. You're getting ready to bushwhack someone. Shame on the mess. Take care, Alabama skip shooter, Radio Man, Central Cal. Roll this video, Jade, and I'm standing by.
Hey, 600 flyers you sell. He coming in wall to stereo around BD Dallas. It's your slam dunk out there, Washington. Have a good day. Jesse James down here working his Cobra 29. I'll see you. Bye.
Woods. Hello, once again, slam dunk. Ain't nobody but your 456. Slam dunk 456 in Oklahoma with afternoon wave and break.
Grasshopper saying have a great day, and I'll see you. Somebody say that's what I'm doing, but I didn't get it on. Uncle Jesse's doing well. Hey, 747, you ain't no mud.
And I do appreciate the give back, man. Most definitely appreciate the give back. Hope all is well. 2012 slam dunk 456 in Oklahoma says welcome to the weekend. Good day.
Good morning, tab 456. Your friend Rod Kelly just got up.
Doing the job for you, 747. Hello around the west side.
Definitely going way by hand out there around the Beaver State. Hello around Oregon. Let's go.
No, Roger, no, get back up 456, Oklahoma, Radio Man, Central Coast of California, and I'm rocking on.
Another DX man. Another DX man. We trying bomb.
Hey, can you say 456 downtown Tulsa, Oklahoma? Hello around Oregon. Can you say 456?
New York going now.
A456 Betty Crocker. A456 Betty Crocker. A456 Betty Crocker trying to get in the mix. Standing by. 456, I just want to see what my conditions were like. Oh, 456, I got you on the video date once again. Good morning time to you and the family. Radio Man, Central Town, cut down.
Hello, I did. Man, you sure
downtown, Tulsa.
Today, 456. I'm gonna back it on out, man. It's getting rough and tough. Alabama skip shooters out there. So, we'll catch you on the flip. 456, always sounding good over here. And Jesse James, if you're still out there, I'm waving a hand to you and the family too. Radio Man, Coast of Cal, roll this video, Jade, and I'm standing by.
Plumb full today out there, 351. My receiver's plumb full, my friend. Take care and I'll see you. Quick call gonna shoot Jesse James right in the butt today.
Hey, 456, uh-oh. Hey, 456, uh-oh. Uh-oh, I woke up, quick draw. I woke up the Y2K down there, man. Yeah, he goes by Y2K too. Yeah, man, I woke him up. He's down there saying he's gonna, I don't know what he said, something about pinching Jesse James on the butt or something. I don't know what he said, but, Hey, 456, I woke up quick draw, man. Now it's all over. It's all over, man. Nobody's gonna hear a thing. Quick draw's out there putting Jesse James in his backpack. And I'm not even sure Jesse James is keying up. Good morning, Tom. Quick draw, 456, Jesse James. Radio Man, Central Coast of Cal, back in the bushes.
I think I heard a 351 as well out there in between keys. But anyways, top of the afternoon time, TY, keep the 5 alive. 351, 456, and Oklahoma's rocking on.
Come on now. Wrong channel. That's why it wasn't working. Low. There you go. That should be a little bit better.
Mr. Corley, 456 in Oklahoma, waved and I'll see you bye. Hey, 406, you making too much noise out there, man. Hey, 406, can you say 456? That's right.
Hello out there, Midnight Cowboy. Hello, Midnight Cowboy, Jesse James.
See ya, 406, 456, Oklahoma, got down.
456, get your mind on 4404. Hey, 456, audio video in New York. 456, audio video in New York. Hello, Jesse. Hello, Jesse James. Come out with his hands up, Alabama. Hey, where you at? Jesse James, 854 around Big D Dallas.
Oklahoma talked to my radio. I heard a slam dunk into my radio, man. He's saying it's morning time, but it's afternoon time out here around Oklahoma. Slam dunk 4, 5, 6 in Oklahoma got down.
Hey, well, it's the old Alabama skid shooter, you know. I'm waving with both hands at him. I got my hand out the window, waving right back at him. If you look down here toward Dallas, you'll see me waving my hand out the side of the window. Yeah, have a good day. You tell Alabama skid shooter I said Happy New Year's. Jesse James in Dallas, what a wave is go.
Man, oh man, there, Jesse James, you be loud around California. Hey, Jesse James, you be loud around California while you're on my video gate. Jesse James, you know who it is around the west side and up back out.
Most definitely appreciate the speaking to spoke. Put it on your layer. Slam dunk 4, 5, 6 downtown. Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I got down.
All right, I got it on because you said it all. You said it. From that fine, we're going to wave it right back. We pointed down around Dallas right about now. I don't know if that's Jesse James getting here. But we pointed around Texas, Alabama, skip shooter flag out.
On my lip out there, man, it's a little rough. It's starting to get rough and tough out there. But old slam dunk out there. So he's been talking to me for many years, and man, he heard me out there talking to me. He put the speaking to spoke on me, and alright, while out here, Mr. Corley.
That's right. No, I can't hear Alabama skid shooter. I guess Mother Nature ain't operating that direction this morning, but anyway, have a good day, kids. See you later. Cemetery Man, your Jesse James around Big D Dallas with a wave of go.
Good day, good day.
I just want to bob and down wave my hand to my friend Jesse James down there in Big D Dallas. Good morning time, Jesse James. Radio Man, Central Coast of California, with no conditions, read this mail.
Well, out there, Radio Man. Hey, Radio Man, my little buddy ain't out here to play with me this morning. Radio Man, Jesse James, waving a hand.
Oh, yes, he is. I heard him out there. Hey, Jesse James, he's out there. I heard him. But he didn't have very good signal. I guess he was still parked in the garage. 410.
4, 5, 6 in Oklahoma, back wide.
If you got time, I need to go ahead and put in the order cemetery mass for that cheese, but...
Hey, Jesse James, he was out there earlier, man. I think he was still parked in the garage with his antenna on the horizontal side, man, because I didn't hear him very well, but I heard him out there. And I haven't heard him since, but he was out there about 15 minutes ago, probably.
5, 6 in Oklahoma, got down.
Done the mess. I guess I lost conditions already. Woo! Man, they go fast. I'm back reading this mail.
Night radio, man. You got all kinds of conditions out there. Everybody's out there reading their mail. Hey, radio, man. You still got conditions out here around downtown Tulsa, Oklahoma. Radio, man. 4, 5, 6 in Oklahoma, back quiet.
Hey, 4, 5, 6. Everybody's just looking up their CB like it's a TV, man. I had to do that almost all day yesterday. I think I'm going to have to do it again today, man. I'll get some somewhat good conditions in the morning, and then by the afternoon, they're all gone, man. They're there, but nobody can hear me. That's how conditions roll, man.
And that cowboy.
I didn't get on there very much yesterday. I think I got out there maybe 30, 40 minutes in the afternoon time, and then I didn't ever turn my radio back on, but yeah, the conditions have been rolling, man. Guarantee most told you. Afternoon time, night time, I mean, hey, it's just been getting it. But anyways, man, I'm enjoying it. Radio Man, 456 Oklahoma, see what you doing.
Mr. Molly.
Yeah, there, 456. I think it was yesterday that I tried calling for you, man. I heard you out there, and I think I tried calling for you, and you just could not hear me, man. I think you were talking up north. think you were talking up north to Oregon or Washington or something like that yesterday as well, and I don't know, I can't be sure, but anyway, you couldn't hear me. No doubt about it. But yeah, conditions will change around, man. Last night, for the first time, I heard northwest corner come in there a little bit, about half of the S unit, and then Alaska came in there, and I recorded that. Alaska came in there about 7 S units, and then just kind of faded right back out. So anyway, yeah, conditions are changing around for the better, I think. So all it takes is time, no doubt about it. 456, your radio man, Jono.
Ocean City, Maryland. Hey, radio man. Hey, radio man. I want to see if I can't make my own conditions. Hey, radio man. Let me see if I can't make my own conditions. Jesse, and more Jesse. Jesse James around Dallas with the wave is gone.
That's corner and stuff. Most told you that. But anyways,
Bellyacre, Jesse James, 854, laser hand.
Well, doggone it, I was going to wait on 456 there, Jesse James. I was waiting on that 456, Jesse James, but you said you want to make your own conditions. You know how I like to do it, Jesse James. You know how I like to do it. You know I like to wait on everybody to get off that tee until I start responding to everybody all at once. It's a little bit easier that way. And it doesn't make me look like such an ass. Take care, Jesse James. You radio man. You Betty Crocker all in the mix, and I just got up.
By the time I get ready to listen to what you say, she just pops right out. I don't know what to think of it. Radio man conditions ain't the best, but I hear you out there, Jesse James, waving a hand trying to make my own conditions. I'll see you, bye.
All right there, Jesse James. He said as soon as they come in there, they pop right out. No doubt about it. Of course, because it's a radio man, no doubt about it. Take care, Jesse James. I'm back to reading this mail.
You're fine. Quickdraw come out of his closet today and he got here and played, but I guess he's still hung over from yesterday. He probably ain't woke up yet. He probably ain't fell out of bed yet. Shame on the mess. Oh well. Jesse, and more Jesse. Jesse James, 854, Cruzy Street says long, no suburban is gone.
About 17 dB right there. Hey, Jesse James, about 17 dB right there, right in between the 15 and the 20. No doubt about it, man. Sounded good, too. Yeah, no, I heard Quickdraw out there earlier, man. He's out and about, but I don't know if he kicked on that 2-pill 4-wheel mobile or not, man. I don't know where he is or what, but I did hear him out there. No doubt about it, Jesse James. Take care, my friend. I'm back reading this mail.
Mother Nature lets you in there. Jesse, and more Jesse. Jesse James, warming these St. Daymaids up. Warming these Daymaids up, getting cobwebs out of them. Jesse James, 854 Dallas with a wave is gone.